So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna put my knife all the way around it. I'm gonna kind of do a nice little turn. What I like to do is I will take my knife and go along my avocado just to make little chunks out of it, right? Like this. All the way down with my knife to the bottom. We're just gonna take a spoon and I'm just gonna scoop that right out into my bowl. And what prevents your avocado from browning? It's going to be lemon or lime juice. I'm gonna take a little more avocado. I'm gonna add that in. So we're gonna throw in some minced onion. You can use white or red in this. And I like to add a decent amount because the onion is where you're gonna have a lot of that flavor. And I'm just gonna kind of slightly start mashing those avocados. It depends on how ripe they are, right? I'm gonna add in some of that lime juice and then some lime. Not a lot of people add lime zest to their guacamole. I happen to love it in my guacamole. Also that cilantro. We're gonna add quite a bit of this too. So I'm gonna add some minced jalapeno right in there. Again, if you don't like heat, leave it out. Add in a little tomato. So I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper. And if you want this creamier, all you have to do is really mash that avocado a little bit more. And I would just put a little bit more of that lime juice right on top. And that's gonna prevent that avocado from turning any colors. And here we have for you some beautiful, fresh, homemade guacamole.